Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be restoring this old Apple M0116 keyboard. Before I did anything else, I wanted to take the keyboard apart and give the inside a good clean. I'm using disinfectant wipes here, but a damp cloth would work just as well. Next, I used a keycap puller to remove the keycaps from the keyboard so I could clean underneath them. With the keycaps off, I used an old toothbrush to remove dust and dirt from in between the switches. I decided to clean the keycaps as well. For this, I just soaked them in some soapy water and rinsed them off. Once the keycaps were clean, I dried them on some paper towels and used the toothbrush from before to help get the insides. You could totally let them air dry, but I was impatient. With the keycaps clean and dry, I reinstalled them on the keyboard. I'm sorry I didn't show the installation of all the keys, my camera battery was running out. The hardest keys to install were the ones with the little metal brackets that supported them. Those took a while, especially the space bar. Here's what the finished keyboard looks like. I could have used hydrogen peroxide to whiten the plastics, but I decided not to for the time being. If you'd like me to come back and do that, please leave a comment down below. Now that I've shown you the finished keyboard, here's a quick typing demo.